Hey guys, today we're gonna unbox a bike called Velo Flippa. It's actually a tricycle that turns into a balance bike for kids ages 2 to 5. It's also got a large handle on the back so that as your kid rides it, you can hold on to it. You can also remove that so that they can ride on their own. There you go. There's all the 3 different modes you can use it in. You could use it as a push trike, a regular trike, or as a balance bike. The rear wheels actually either close up together or open up to become a tricycle. This was actually purchased on Amazon. I'll go ahead and link this in the description of this video if you guys are interested in this. That's the handle for the parents to hold on. Yes. So far so good. I really like this color. It's like this really nice pastel bluish kind of color. Or turquoise actually. Very nice. The materials look really nice and well made. These long tubes feel like they are steel. Actually, the whole thing feels like it's made out of steel. So they're not aluminum, they're steel. So it's quite heavy, but also very durable. There's the front tire. It's got this really cool, like a plastic cover over the rim. So it's kind of see-through. It's really nice, actually. This way it won't get dirty inside and you can just wipe it clean. And again, the tire is made from like really hard plastic/rubber material. I think it's a really nice material actually. It's almost like very, very dense foam. That's what it feels like extremely dense foam. It's gonna get installed onto the rest of the bike here, the rest of the body of the bike. It just slides right in. There you go. Did it just snap into place? Mm-hmm. That's really nice. Let me hold this for you. Just goes on like that. There you go. And then, no, it's the other way. There you go. Okay. That you can put in and just sort of use that. Oh, look at that. That's so cool. What's next? Oh, I see. Looks like it's the seat. Put the seat right in. Boom. Is this adjustable, you think? Can we see if we can raise it up real quick? Oh, yeah, there's 2 levels of adjustability, maybe. So you can put it all the way down or a little bit down. Let's see. If you put it down, yeah, that's the first level here. Or you can go all the way down, second level. When you're using it as a balance bike, you don't put these on. You just cover this flap and then, yeah, it's a balance bike. But if you want to use the pedals, open it up, you insert the pedal. How do you insert the pedal? Oh, it just snaps into place. Next up, we're gonna put the guide that the parents can use to kind of hold the bike up while they ride around. Oh, I see. There's 3 different, or actually more like 2 different points at which you can adjust this. Then you push that through. Watch your finger. There you go. So it's going to come out the first hole first. Put that cap. Okay. Probably from the top would be easier to work with. Put something there. So when you steer it, you can see that it steers the bike's front part. And so you could kind of control your kid. I mean, your kid can steer it as much as they want, but as soon as you notice they're not going the right direction, you can kind of help them out and steer the other way. All right, so now that the whole thing is put together, the last part left is to turn this into a trike. So what you do is you push the two buttons in the front and open them up, and they snap in place. And then over here, you push the blue lever there in, and then push the whole front part down while you're pushing the lever in. There you go. The balance bike seat's hidden underneath this one. You just have to take the cover off. So let's go ahead and do that now and see what it looks like. They're just 3 regular Phillips bolts that you can remove with a screwdriver. Yep, it's actually much softer, and it's designed so that, you know, they could easily put their legs down from both sides and pedal. Or not pedal, but push themselves during balance bike mode. And it's lower because they're going to be standing, sort of, putting their weight on their feet. And when they're sitting up higher, then they could use the pedals with this one. So anyway, that's a pretty clever design. It's not bad. I kind of like this, actually. It's quite nice. You get a little cup holder. You can control it very easily, and once they're ready for doing it themselves, you can just easily remove this whole top bar part. So for example, you can take this to the park. You can walk it to the park with this on it, and then once they're in a nice open space where there's no cars and stuff, you could just, without tools, remove this whole shaft, let them go at it on their own, have fun. And then once you gotta go back to the sidewalk where it's a little bit more dangerous, you pop the shaft on and you can control it, and you just walk back home. It's really nice. Well, thank you guys for watching. If you like this, I'm gonna have the link for it in the description of this video. We bought this on Amazon. The prices keep changing, so check out that link. You'll see what the price is at the current time you watch this. And yeah, if you guys have any questions about it, leave comments in the video and we'll answer them. Thank you very much. Goodbye.